Directors are responsible against the law, against the local authorities, against the overseas authorities, and of course they need to represent the company in any proceeding against the company. Very important, VAT directors are personally responsible against VAT, unlike the Cyprus Income Tax Office, where the company is responsible directly for any taxes due. The directors of the company are personally liable against VAT. Therefore, it is the directors of the Cyprus company that are fully exposed against the law and against the VAT responsibilities of the company. You can imagine that this is a very important task, and of course, the people who act on behalf of the company need to get paid for it. Okay, the shareholders, of course, could be yourselves because this is your company, you create it for you, or if you want, you can ask a fiduciary firm or a corporate service provider who is licensed to act as your shareholder. These days, with the Registrar of Members law, all shareholders of Cyprus companies are publicly disclosed in the registrars, in the Cyprus Registrar of Companies. Therefore, having someone to act on your behalf against the company doesn't serve that much. So it is entirely up to you whether you want to use a fiduciary firm to act again like a shareholder on your behalf. But pay attention that within a search, your name will pop up as a shareholder of a specific company. The Registrar of Members is an EU requirement. All European member states need to apply it, and this is for the AML and transparency laws and regulations that have been introduced by the European Union, European Commission, who strongly push against transparency in all transactions and in all corporate dealings within Europe. Some clients prefer to have their bank account incorporated overseas, some in Switzerland, others in Germany, others in other European member states. Of course, some others, depending on the size of their operations, might have two bank accounts, an overseas bank account and a Cyprus bank account to pay for the local overheads, local fees, accounting fees, legal fees, registrar fees, payroll taxes, and of course any other Cyprus taxes and expenses incurred for the Cyprus company. It is entirely up to you. If you want to have two bank accounts, three bank accounts, there is no issue. We can facilitate any bank account and create any bank account in the world for you. As you can see, we can create any bank account anywhere in the world for you. As some of the countries supported are listed, of course, on our website. This is, of course, achieved through our membership with various international networks, including 3E Accounting, which is an Asian network, and a CYAUSE, which is a very powerful European network, where we instantly have access to local expertise, whether that involves audit, whether that involves payroll services, whether that involves opening a bank account anywhere, literally, in the world. To wrap up, we've spoken about the Cyprus company, how you set up the Cyprus company, the composition of its members, and of course the opening of a bank account.